Okay, so you want to quickly convert an image to black and white using a variable color filter. And for that, we're going to use the Monochrome module. I'm going to activate it, and now it's a black and white. But that's not all, because to use this module, you want to reduce the filter size so that the effect will be concentrated, and then move it across the hue palette to find the best filter value. So if you scroll the mouse wheel button away from you, you will see the circle decreasing. And if you move it around, you see that the image becomes worse and worse and worse. But if you move it around to a point where you think, hey, that light looks pretty good, you can then expand the filter gradually to include more hues and achieve more natural tonality. Now what happens is, if you make this bigger, the highlights will start to clip as well, as you can see over here. So let's reduce that. And now we're going to move this slider from the left side to the right side so that the highlights in the image will be preserved. And just for the record, if you move this around, what you're basically achieving is creating a filter that's analogous to taking a black and white photograph through a conventional color filter. Now the color picker can also be used to automatically set the position and size of the filter based on the selected portion of the image. And as said before, you can then decrease or increase the filter size by scrolling your mouse wheel button one way or the other.